final area that I wanted to touch on is Wayfair. So there was a U.S. Supreme Court case that came down in 2018, and it was focused on sales tax. The primary area of that is that that used to be the physical nexus. So you needed to have payroll in there, you need to have property in there in order for a state to be able to subject it to you. Now it's based on economic nexus. And economic nexus is an area that will be very prevalent as we move forward, because the states are not just looking at sales tax, they're looking at state income tax. And economic nexus is established through looking at ways of being able to, you don't need physical presence, you just need a marketplace. So there are a lot of technology companies now that never need to go into the state and never need to be able to have a physical nexus, but now they're because of this tax case, they're now going to be able to, the states are going to be able to go tax that, and they're already making a lot of changes regarding that, particularly the beginning of 2020. And so you can see receipts-based economic nexus. So where property and payroll are not the factors, it's just, are you doing business there? And they're looking at that for sales tax, they're looking at that for state income tax. And it really should make those who have businesses pause and say, you know what, we should revisit the states that we're doing business in for sales tax and income tax, because this way you'll avoid a surprise later on. We've been talking to some of our clients and doing a state and local tax analysis to make sure that they are compliant as they move forward with their businesses in the various states.